Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2. Instead of using PowerClip to make sure it doesn't, I had somebody say it's their Chinese laser still prints what's outside the PowerClip. And on the other video, I used the intersect tool, and it works good. Well, let's just do another way in case you ever have a design that doesn't work. This might work for you. Let's use front minus back. And what it does, it takes away your color. But you might have a design that needs to be like that. Well, you can select it, and then you can fill in the color. And actually, so left click fill, right click no outline, and you've got the same properties. And the same thing in the video before, if you needed a line around it, what I would do is, let's see what our nudge factor is still set on 30. Let's make a duplicate of that, Control D, and let's nudge it out of the way. Now let's use front minus back, nudge, well, let's go ahead and make it black. Let's left click, no fill. Let's go ahead and make this black. I just hit the pen tool. Let's make it 3 points in black. And then you could nudge this over and you've got a line around your outline. So that's two ways to do it for sure. If one of them works and the other one doesn't work, or one of them doesn't work, try the other way. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.